Citric acid anhydrous is a highly versatile, odorless, crystalline compound widely recognized for its role as a natural preservative, flavor enhancer, and acidulant. Derived primarily from citrus fruits or produced through fermentation, it is commonly used in the food and beverage industry to add a tart, refreshing taste to products like soft drinks, candies, and jams, while also extending shelf life by inhibiting microbial growth. Its ability to chelate metals makes it invaluable in stabilizing and preserving the color, texture, and nutritional content of various foods. Beyond its culinary applications, citric acid anhydrous plays a crucial role in the pharmaceutical sector, where it serves as an excipient in tablets, effervescent powders, and syrups, aiding in pH adjustment and enhancing the bioavailability of active ingredients. In industrial and household applications, citric acid anhydrous is prized for its eco-friendly and biodegradable properties, making it a popular choice in cleaning products and water treatment processes. It effectively breaks down mineral deposits, making it a key ingredient in desiccating agents, detergents, and cosmetic formulations, where it helps maintain the stability and pH balance of skincare products. Its chelating properties also contribute to improved performance in detergents by binding to metal ions in hard water, ensuring better cleaning results. Whether in food production, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, or industrial processes, citric acid anhydrous stands out for its multifunctionality, safety, and sustainability, making it an indispensable component across a wide range of industries.